Hello everyone. So today we're going to work just off this diagram for the notes. You guys have a different diagram, but it's very similar, and it's just going to be these questions here. So I'm going to have, I have A, B's, right down the line. So I'm going to start with part A. Again, remember this is your computer screen, so we're going to write over here on a scrap sheet of paper. So part A asks us how many points appear in the figure. So we got to count the dots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, D, this little a, this little b, do not count as points. So A is 5 points. Part B, how many lines appear in the figure? Well, we have this line and we have this line. So that would be 2 lines. Part C, how many planes appear in the figure? Well, we just have this one plane right here, just this one little rhombus. So we have 1 plane. Part D, name a line containing point V. So here's point V, and I need a different point on that line to name it. So part D is going to be V, and I could either do W or X, doesn't matter. I'll do X. And a little side note, remember you can also name a line by those little lowercase letters. So like this lowercase a, that is actually the same thing as line lowercase a. Just as an FYI. Part E, name the intersection of lines A and B, and that's where those little lowercase letters come into play. So lines A and B is this line and this line, and they touch or intersect at point W. Part F, give another name for line B. So here's line B. So remember, I can use that lowercase letter, or I could use 2 points. Let's use Z and Y. Part G, name 3 non-collinear points. So 3 points that are not on the same line. Well, let's just go around the perimeter. Let's see, we got V, Y, and X are clearly not on the same line. So that would be points V, Y, and X. And notice I need 3 points for them to be non-collinear. Any 2 points form a line. Remember, even though Y and V aren't connected, you can connect them. So you need a 3rd point to make them non-collinear. And finally, part H, give another name for plane D. So here's my plane D, and I could say plane, just pick 3 points that are non-collinear. Let's see, V, W, Z. V, W, Z. Okay, and that's it. I know when this video is being made, it's a Friday assignment. So what I want you guys to do, I want you to do this. And if you haven't done another assignment, this is your chance to go ahead and do it. So the rest of today's assignment is going to be for you guys to catch up on whatever you've missed this week, so you can get a good grade for your first week of sophomore year.